Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. This is a very short video where I'm going to cover Flume Cascade and the small pool together. There are about 10 waterfalls in Crawford Notch State Park, and in a day I think we can finish around 8, and among the 8 Flume Cascade is one of them. It is located right off of Route 302. Parking is available across the street, so you can hike around the areas next to the falls if you desire. Once you finish visiting the Cascade Fall from the same parking location, you can go visit the small pool. That's a very small pool. If you walk down 5 minutes from the parking lot, you'll reach the small pool. Don't expect much. It's a very small pool, but the view is good. The food is good. There can be one location. You can view the small pool and the Cascade Fall from the same spot. Thank you so much guys for watching my video.